So let's see if Hotel Ordinary is worth our money. This is how the hotel looks like from the outside. Medyo dark yung vibe niya, and these are the amenities that they offer. We, by the way, booked this via Agoda, so check nyo na lang yung availability ng rooms and ng dates. So when you enter the usual na receiving area or reception area, then meron silang maliit na cafe which you can buy your coffee, and meron din silang free water every day. So our room is at the second floor, and medyo maliit lang yung elevator nila pero decent naman, and kasya naman kaming 7. Sobrang hindi nila kami pinahirapan guys, kasi paglabas mo na elevator, room na namin. So pasukin na natin. So when you enter, meron agad siya, makikita nyo yung mga gamit namin nakaayos na. This is the bed. It's a queen size bed, I think. And they have this area where you can hang your clothes, a television of course, a table and chair, and meron din silang pa free coffee every day. Then, bed ulit, guys. Pero naka 0.5 na siya this time. Then, sa gilid, nandun yung CR. And yung pinakamaganda dito, guys, is this. Free coffee siya everyday. Ni-refill nila yan. Ewan ko kung nagtataka sila ba't laging ubos pero walang hugasin. A mini fridge na water din yung laman. Pero hindi na rin nalamanan dito after kasi wala kaming pambili. And here is one of their amenities, which is the kitchen. So, open siya 24 hours, pero yung food, limited na lang kapag gabi na kasi nga maraming kumukuha in the morning kasi breakfast lang naman din yung siniserve. Pero ayan, meron pang noodles. And meron din dito, during mornings, meron ditong coffee, cereals, bread, butter. Basta marami pang iba. Pero agahan nyo na lang kasi baka maubusan kayo. And then, there's me feeling magaling na kinain ng machine dahil hindi marunong kumuha ng mainit na tubig. Kinain na naman. Tapos, hindi ko alam bakit ngayon lang to, pero ito yung shower area or yung bathroom nila. Pretty dark talaga yung vibe dito. Tapos, ayun, sumilip ako. Nakakatakot. And then, sink. So, yung usual. Tapos, yung araw-araw na pinag-uunahan, yung itlog. So, everyday may free sila na egg na pwede mo lutuin. Here's the free coffee too. So, unlimited naman siya as long as may supply. So, now I'll answer my own question kung worth it nga ba ang Hotel Ordinary. So, yes, worth it siya for these 3 reasons. First is price. So, we booked this for 6,044 per pax for 6 days and 5 nights na. Second is yung location. So, yung area na to is near these places. If-flash ko na lang sa screen para mas mabasa ninyo, i-pause nyo na lang. And third is my free breakfast and open pantry siya. So, every time na magugutom ka, pwede ka magluto, baba ka lang sa room mo, then pwede mo nang lutuin yung itlog ulit. So, may 4th and 5th pa tayo, guys. Joke lang pala yung 3 lang. So, 4th is, maganda yung rating niya if you check it sa Agoda in terms of cleanliness. So, in our experience, yes, okay naman siya. Hindi siya super clean, but it's pretty clean. And our 5th is for those na may mga bisyo. So, meron siyang smoking area near the lobby. And for the last part, guys, I do not recommend this hotel if hindi kayo mahilig sa dark vibe or sa dark rooms because it's pretty much dark and pretty much enclosed. So, yun lang yung downside for me. Pero I'll still recommend this, guys, kasi maganda yung hotel, price-wise, location-wise. So, yeah. So, if you happen to have questions, comment lang kayo or message me. And thank you for watching.